Well, guys, right now I'm at the Netlige bus station here in Budapest, Hungary, and Hungary has been amazing for me. I think you can note on my face, I'm super happy. The experiences has been awesome. I met wonderful people, which I will miss, and I tried to come by metro, to come by subway to here, but there was no directly subway, so just I stopped on the way, and I got an Uber, which was nice. They don't have Uber here, but they have something similar, which is Bolt taxi, and it was super nice because the taxi I took, it was a Tesla car. I think this is the second time I take a Tesla car here in Europe, and Tesla cars, oh, they're awesome. They're very comfortable. They're not noisy at all, and everything's so modern. The driver had a very big GPS screen, super modern touch screen, and yeah, it's simply amazing. Actually, I'm impressed with the Tesla car. And from here, I will take a bus to Bratislava, Slovakia, and after Slovakia, we still have Vienna, Austria, and after Vienna, Austria, we have Prague, Czech Republic, and after that, we still have Brussels, Belgium. So it's still a long way, and I'm sure I will meet a lot of nice people. Finally arrived in Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia. This bus station reminds me of a big parking lot of a shopping center. It's a very nice bus station, very modern, has air conditioner. Actually, it's very nice. So that's our bus, Flixbus. And from here, I have to walk about 15 minutes to my hostel. So it's a very short walking. These doors, I think they're so nice, so funny. When you enter, it gets faster. Alright. We are here. Where is the bathroom? I need to go to the bathroom. Let's check it out. So far this hostel looks great, and they give me like keys to open this door. I have a locker, number 5, and my bed probably has my name on it. Let's check it out. Hello, how are you?
Good. Where you from?
I'm from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Wow.
And you? Hello.
Wow, it's so far away.
It's very far away. So we have one WC here, one shower bathroom here. We have one inside my room. It's nice because in this floor, we have 5 floors here. In this floor, we have a table and we have a fridge, a refrigerator. Today I went to the supermarket after arriving here, and I bought my lunch and my dinner. So this will be my dinner. It's like rice with chicken, actually. Rice with chicken. And this is a very nice hostel. It's very big. It has an elevator here. So let's go to the floor 0 or ground floor, and from there we can go a little bit downstairs to check the kitchen, to check the washroom, and etc. I will not go down, if not it will take a lot of time, so it's better to take the elevator. Now it's about, what time is it? It's about 4:30 p.m. here, and I'm gonna explore Bratislava. Let's see how is it. So here we have the, let's see what do we have here. So this is the ground floor. So here we have the luggage storage here, the bike storage, laundry, and kitchen. We have a lot of signs here, which is very cool. It's very informative. A lot of signs here. So here we have the laundry, which is cool. Here we have the kitchen. It's a very big kitchen here. It's nice. Has all the utensils and things. And luggage room here. Luggage room. We have like, if you need to carry your bags or you are under a wheelchair, it's very easy for you, very accessible. We have a bar downstairs, but it opens at 5 p.m. And here we have a garden. Let's check out the garden here. Oh, it's a very nice garden they have here. Very cool, actually. Yeah, and then the reception. So this is Patio Hostel. Patio Hostel. Basically, it is a big apartment we have here. So let's explore the city a little bit.